Why did the immigrant apply for the green card lottery? Because he heard it was his ticket to the land of opportunity, and he thought, hey, why not give it a shot? I might just hit the jackpot. All right, moving on from the humor, let's dive into the heart of the matter. The Green Card Lottery, more formally known as the Diversity Visa Program, is a golden ticket for many individuals around the globe. Once you've applied, the anticipation builds up, and when May rolls around, it's time to check those results. But how exactly do you go about that? No worries, we've got you covered. First, get your confirmation number ready. You know, that unique number you received when you submitted your application. It's like your personal lottery ticket number. Second, head to the official U.S. Department of State's Bureau of Consular Affairs website. Make sure it's the official site. You don't want any funny business with this one. Third, navigate to the Check DV Lottery status page. Here, you'll input your confirmation number, your last name, and the year of your birth. It's like the secret code to your lottery results. Fourth, hold your breath, cross your fingers, and click Submit. Your results will then be displayed on the screen. Now, you've checked your results, but what should you be looking for? 1. If you've been selected, congratulations. But remember, selection doesn't guarantee a visa. It's like being called for an interview, but you still have to impress the panel. 2. If you haven't been selected, don't lose hope. The lottery is, well, a lottery. There's always next year. And 3. If your status shows has not been processed, it means the results aren't out yet. It's like waiting for your popcorn to pop. Give it some time and check back later. So, to recap, to check your green card lottery results, you'll need your confirmation number, the official U.S. Department of State's Bureau of Consular Affairs website, and the Check DV Lottery status page. Remember, being selected is only the first step. There's always next year if you're not selected, and sometimes you just have to wait a little longer for your results. And that's your guide to checking your green card lottery results. Whether you're hoping to hit the jackpot this year or are just curious about the process, we hope this information has been helpful. Good luck!